Hey everybody, it's Lon Simon. We've got another unboxing of something I've been looking forward to seeing. This is the Lenovo Smart Display, and the best way to think of this is as a Google Home device, one of those voice-activated things, but it has a screen on board to supplement its answers, so you'll get audio answers along with a visual representation. And I am a Google Home user exclusively, so I was eager to try this out. And I should mention this came in on loan from Lenovo, so when we're done with it, it goes back to them. This is the larger of the two that they have available. I'll put links to it down below in the video description so you can see pricing and everything. And I'm going to have a full review of this coming up soon on my main channel at lon.tv. Now the box here is not wood, it's cardboard, but the device itself is made of wood to some degree. I believe it is bamboo on the back. So this is what it looks like. I did a preview of this at CES, so if you want to see some of it in action, I will put a link down below while you wait for that full review. It's got kind of a cool design, like a curve to it here, as you can see. It's got the bamboo backing here, and then it plugs in over here. Designed for kitchens and whatnot. I think you could actually have it in the landscape or portrait orientation here. It looks like it will stand up in both directions there, so pretty cool looking. And then we have in the box here a little bit of an instruction book and a power adapter. This will pair up with an app, so you load up the Google Home app first and get started with that. But that is really all there is to this thing. So what I'm going to be doing over the next couple of days is playing around with this thing and figuring out what it does and how it works and find some interesting use cases for it. It is tightly integrated with the Google ecosystem, so if you are using a lot of Google devices, this will fit in quite nicely, but if you are using other types of devices, you may have a little less of a good time with it. So for example, they have YouTube TV available on this, but at the moment, other TV providers are not available. And this is running Android, but you can't install apps on it. So it's not a true Android device in that sense. A lot of what will happen on screen will be triggered by the commands that you issue to it. So we're going to be doing more with this in the next couple of days, so stay tuned. But I wanted to do the unboxing first, and you'll find the full review on my main channel at lon.tv.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, Bill Reiner, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.